I will show you how to trade support resistance and trade it for quick profits consistently throughout the day. Trading support resistance. What you want to look at first is the direction of the market and understand what the last high is. So this is the last high, and we can see that price has created a new low indicating that the market is going down. As this is the last high, we want to start selling as we see price start to come down. Now I'm targeting the lows to take out my position as this is where they last bought from. It's important to know as we go along the day we mark these areas of support resistance out on the 1 minute time frame, as that's what I use for scalping, to understand when price gets above or below these areas clearly. Then that's when we switch ways to buying up in direction. If you want to trade and scalp consistently, support resistance is a must-do, as this is what leads to the account growth we've been looking for. So let's analyze this next clip. Here, the market is buying up multiple times, which is creating lows. And finally, we see it get below and test this area. This is where you should be selling if you're trying to make quick profits. Targeting the lows as we're selling to take out my position and possibly hold to gain some more profits. If you guys want more information on this topic of support resistance, I can make a more in-depth video analyzing the S&P market, as I do this everyday live streaming, so you guys can trade with me if you like.